Here is why I think changing your habits can ignite hope in your life. I learned through social stigma. I learned through being an advocate for my needs when I realized that everything takes and you have to sacrifice something so that you get something in your life. So be a shuja on your own accord and you'll be able to learn more about yourself. It's how to HemoShujaa, a peer counselor, and a hemophilia advocate. I reach out to that unknown blood disorder patient through my voice so that you even unlock that self-infinite possibility. Hit that subscribe button, like, and comment your thoughts. And here is how I think my life changed when I learned that social isolation came from people lack knowledge about blood disorders. It all ignited hope in my life when I first realized that I can be a shuja that can even change the community. Two, it's social isolation. Through social isolation, where now I can't do sports, I can't do many tough things that will even destroy my life. I learn to at least manage my life and I learn to plan my life well so that I don't have injuries that could even lead to longer healing or damage. Look out for yourself, exercise and nutrition. That's number three. You have to exercise, you have to at least even if just brisk walking, you have to do something so that you even be in a more fulfilling life, live a more fulfilling life through you exercising and through you acknowledging that through eating well, through having a more balanced diet, you'll be able to at least manage your body well and live a balanced and a more meaningful life. Unlock that self-infinite possibility. Go to the HemoShujaa and the voices of Shujaa. Like, share, and subscribe so that you learn how patients are being bold enough to advocate for your needs. It's easy. Just go there, search on the social media, and you'll be able to find how the voices of Shujaa is changing lives out here. You'll you not know what you're living. So let's all advocate for our needs. And that leads to us number four. You should have dissipative structures. Why you should have dissipative structures is that you'll be able to stay disciplined, you'll have that perseverance to have a more fulfilling life. But when you don't obey what you want in your life, how will you be able to at least unlock that self-infinite possibility? I challenge you, Shuja, be your own Shuja, advocate, and learn more about yourself. It just calls for you realizing that you're the driver of your life. You're realizing that you have to hold the pen so that you write the story that you want others to at least like, and you'll be motivated in whatever that you want to do. So, Shujata, it's easy. If I did it, why not you? It's just easy and it just needs some discipline so that you do it well. So, number five, through connecting with the right people, you'll develop an inner circle that understand and crafts a more meaningful environment. If you have a more meaningful environment, you'll be able to at least challenge yourself, you'll be able to at least challenge each other so that you level up daily and you level up in a health wise manner too. So I created my own environment through me now advocating my needs, through me connecting and creating awareness so that they learned more about how living with a blood disorder can ignite hope in their life. It's easy. What are you doing in your community so that you even ignite hope in people's life? Let's all advocate for change. Let's all work together so that we reach out to that unknown blood disorder patient. If you haven't subscribe, like, and share, and comment your thoughts. Up to now, what do you want to know about a blood disorder? And a question to you: what have you done in your life so that you even unlock that self-infinite possibility? And what are you doing right now as a habit or as something that will even need a push from me, or will you even need a community that can at least ignite hope in your life? Reach out to me through maybe a comment, through you at least accepting that you can create change in your life. But it all calls for you having that heart to accept who you are. And that leads to us having known that self awareness can ignite hope in your life. That's six. Be self aware in whatever thing that you do. If you know your strengths, if you know your weaknesses, and if you know the opportunities that you bring in your life will be able to at least unlock that self-infinite possibility. What are you doing in your community so that you even unlock that self-infinite possibility? Let's all advocate for our lives, and let's all be just in whatever that we do. I create awareness and I use my voice so that you learn more about a blood disorder. If you don't know about a blood disorder, reach out to Pius Hemophilia Chronicles, reach out to the Voices of Shujaa, and learn that you are not alone in this journey. We are together and we are united. It's until we work together, it's until we motivate each other to live a more fulfilling life. What are you doing in your community so that you ignite that hope in your life? What are you doing in your community so that we curb social stigma? What are you doing in your community so that we even reach out to that undiagnosed person living with sickle cell disease, living with hemophilia, living with the von Willebrand disease, and other allied blood disorders? Let's all work together. Help us, help me reach out to that unknown blood disorder patient. I'll say thank you for an opportunity to at least be trusted on what you are doing in your space so that we even ignite hope in people's life. And I can talk about a bonus. That's number 7. You should have a more fulfilling environment and accept who you are, accept where you come from, and through you accepting who you're becoming, you'll be able to learn more about others, you'll be able to learn more about your family, the resources that they have, and you'll be able to at least live at your own means. You don't have to at least, you don't have to have more wanting on things that you cannot purchase, but you'll be able to at least have an accord that takes you to be disciplined, keeps you to be your own shujaa. Let's all be an environment that can even ignite hope in people's life. Like, share, and subscribe so that we reach out to that unknown blood disorder patient. Stay shujaa. Hello, Molly. Molly, hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Are you getting me now?
Yeah, I'm getting you. Can I kindly see you?
Oh, you want to see me?
Yeah. I want to see the shujaa that I'm
Oh.
talking to.
Okay.
Perfect. So today on the Voices of Shujaa, I'm with Moline Odua